You know, people look at videos for a number of reasons, and if you stop to look at this one, maybe you're here because you just got some of the best news you've heard in such a long time, and that is you're relocating to the great state of Texas. Congratulations, by the way. Or maybe you already know that you want something a little different. You're looking for a smaller town with big opportunities, really close by larger cities, so you can enjoy those amenities. But whatever the case, thank you for watching, and since you're here, go ahead and subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. Oh, I forgot to mention the things that I'm going to uncover, you're going to discover about the new phases of Timberbrook, why you're going to want to stick to the end and share this video. Well, for starters, it's a new phase. With a new phase in the community comes a new elementary school, new 55 plus community, new activity center, and so much more. And I'm going to showcase one of the new builders in the new phase. And for this video, it's going to be K-Hovnanian Homes. And they're so gracious. They have abbreviated their name to just K-Hov because they realize that 3/4 of the people will butcher, mispronounce, or struggle with their name. And number two, okay, smarty pants, it's time for you to shine. We're going to play the game, Guess the Price. We're going to tour 3 beautiful homes. You're going to get a chance to ooh and ah over the primary, the kitchen, all the features and design. We're going to test your knowledge of what you think prices are in our new homes in Dallas-Fort Worth. And number 3, I'm going to share a valuable TIP tip. And now that you know, let's go. Oh, by the way, if you'd like to be updated on what's going down around town, then subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up.
With K-Hov, you can build a home in the Estate Series, which will give you a 3-car garage, or the Villas, a 2-car garage. Get ready, it's time to play. Name the price. First home, the Pasadena. The Pasadena is in the Villas. Remember, that's your 2-car garage plan. This is a 1-story home with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and almost 2,200 square feet. Now, I'm just going to let you know, there is a special area, space, wing of this home. Talk about shock and awe, and I can't wait for you to see it. Now, pay close attention to the design, the finishes, because remember, toward the end, we're going to play Name the Price. Remember, I mentioned there's a space, an area, a wing of the home that's going to definitely give you shock, awe, goosebumps. So beautiful. This is your guest suite. Take a look at this. This is perfect. In-law plan. If you have an adult child who's left and for whatever reason has returned, this is a beautiful space. But just word of warning, just cautionary warning, they may never want to leave. Well, let's see how well you know the prices of new homes in Dallas-Fort Worth. Let's play Name the Price. If you guess C, well, that's wishful thinking and praying for a miracle. The correct answer is B. The starting price to own a home like this one is just a little under $500,000. This is home number 2, the Santa Fe. This is also in the villas, so remember that means 2-car garage. This beautiful 2-story home has 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, an office, and a beautiful upstairs loft. And it has about 3,200 square feet. Now this is Texas. A good deal does not mean a free deal. So pay close attention to the details, designs, finishes, and get ready to play Name the Price. And drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about this color palette and your favorite space in this home. Let's see how well you know your prices and play Name the Price. The correct answer, A. You can move into a home just like this one with just a little over $500,000.
I know you're getting really excited about these opportunities, as you should, but we have one more home to tour. But before you spill your coffee or drink of choice all over your pretty outfit, grab your keys and rush over to the community and speak to the salesperson, I've got a really valuable tip to share. And then we'll finish our tour with home number 3. Here are a few things that you should know before you go. The first one, the price. The price that we quote in these videos, we do these nice home tours, well, that's just the base model. The introductory just gets you in the door, gets you in the neighborhood, gets you into the community. But price is always and likely will change because base price, you don't do basic. So you're gonna want those extras. You're gonna want the premium lot with the view. You're gonna want all of the upgrades, all the pretty things that you saw in the model home. But chances are some of those things, here's a tip, you can get done after you actually buy the home. There are some things you can do after market. And if there's something you really like, let me know and I'll get you connected to one of my contractors. But I will say this, there are a few things that I would advise you, just let the builder do, just pay to let the builder do it so you don't compromise the integrity of your warranty on the home. And the next tip, the incentives. I am telling you, we are seeing things that are historic proportion with what these builders are offering you. They are incentivizing you to come into these communities. They are throwing money at you toward closing costs, interest rate, design center. They're throwing things at you, including the kitchen sink. But there may still be a little meat on the bone. And I want to help you find all the things that you can use because who wants to pay more than you have to? My last tip is a professional advocate. Many people ask me, hey Tracy, I'm buying a brand new home. Do I really need a realtor? I mean, can I just go through the door and visit with the sales consultant and I'm done? Yes, you can. But let me ask you this. Just because you can do it, does that mean you should do it? Think of it this way. The salesperson, however knowledgeable, friendly, experienced, they can help you, but they do work for someone. They have a fiduciary duty to work for their employer, who is the builder. Don't you deserve the same level of advocacy in someone who will have your back? You deserve a strong professional on your side. Now back to our tour.
This is a third home, the final one, your last chance to show how much you know. This home is smartly designed, and by smart design, I mean this great activity room that anchors 3 other bedrooms and 1 bath. And it's a smart design because it separates the children's space from yours. You're welcome. You have a really sharp bonus room. Oh, and if I haven't already pointed this out, you have an incredible amount of storage throughout this entire home. Now I'm just salivating over this dining, this huge kitchen, the finishes, the detail. I mean, ooh la la. Here's your just kind of rundown on this home. It is a Frankfurt design. It's in the Estate series, which remember is a 3-car garage. A 1-story, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Remember, you have that activity room over there for the children, kind of keep them out of your space. And you have that really nice bonus room, office, media room. There are so many nice features in this home. And wait till you see the primary suite. Let me know which room, which space, which design you like best. Your backyard is perfect for Texas-style cookouts and barbecues. You can expect to have a fully sodded yard, front, back, side, sprinkler system, landscape packaging. And I would just recommend that you go ahead and invest in a ceiling fan underneath your oversized patio, misting system, maybe even a pull-down shade. It's Texas. Welcome, y'all. All right, drum roll. It's time to name the price. We can go ahead and eliminate A, B, and C, which leaves, that's right. You can actually get into a home like this at the starting price of $529,900.
Here's the question for you. Which one of these K-Hov homes feels like the right home? Is it the one with the guest suite? Or maybe you're looking for something large with 2 stories. Maybe you're looking for a 3-car garage. Whichever home feels like the right one, let me know, comment below. We've already covered the other builders in the new phase, so if you haven't seen that video yet, you've got some catching up to do. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people like you sell and buy homes in and around our DFW Metroplex. And if right now you're thinking to yourself, hey, Tracy, I like what I see in Timberbrook, then comment below, grab one of those one-on-one consultation links so together we can discover which builder, which lot, which view is the best place for you to create your new memories and call home.